wheel off, you can see the sway bar bushing right in there. It's held on by these two 15mm bolts. I'm going to sneak my air gun up in here and attempt to remove this bolt. Okay, there's one. Now let's remove this one. And there's bolt number 2. Now take a pry bar, pry up on the sway bar, and try to take this bracket off. All right, at this point, let's do the same thing to the other side. It'll be a whole lot easier. The one on the driver's side, you can easily access from underneath the vehicle, and I'm using a long ratchet with a swivel head on it. This is gonna be your best bet at getting this off. Because I'm doing these two by hand, it's a little bit more difficult, so I sprayed some rust penetrant, and I'm gonna work them back and forth. Hopefully that'll work the rust penetrant into the threads, and it'll help me get these two bolts out easier. Okay, there's one of them. And here's bolt number 2. Now you can grab the sway bar, pull it up and out of the way, remove the bracket on this side as well. Now let's remove the bushings. Now you can take the bushing, open it up, and get it off of the sway bar. We'll do the same on both sides. There it is. Take your brand new bushing, and I'm going to put some silicone paste on the inside. It's important to lubricate it. That way it doesn't wear out prematurely from friction on the metal. Now take your sway bar bushing, and you want to put it with the split facing towards the rear. That's for water purposes, so that the water doesn't get in here as you're driving. And this is going to be the hardest part of the job, getting this bushing to open up so you can slide it over. Come on. There we go. Once it's on here, line it up, and then let's do the other side before we bolt this down. Do the same to this side. Go ahead and press it on. Make sure it's seated all the way, and again, make sure the cut or the opening is towards the back. Now let's get the brackets on. Now let's get the bolts in, started, and tightened. I already got the first one started. I'm going to go ahead and bottom out this other one. Okay, before I make that one tight, I'm going to get this one closer. All right, there's no way I'm going to get a torque wrench in here, so I'm just going to make them nice and tight by hand with my long ratchet. That's nice and tight. Let's do the other one. All right, that's tight. Let's get this bracket on the passenger side. I got this one to start on the threads, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it on a little more with my air gun. Now I can snug this one up. All right, that's nice and tight.